It's 1 p.m. now, and I'm about to give you guys a tour of an apartment complex here in China, Nanjing City to be precise. This complex has a total of 48 buildings, with each of them rising to at least 29 floors. Each floor consists of at least 4 self-contained apartments for individual families. In today's video, I'll briefly take you through this complex to show you the various facilities available, and so stay tuned to the end to discover my favorite thing about this complex.
Black coffee, I'm in trouble. Black coffee, I see trouble. Man, I'm not gonna get home. Black coffee, I'm so dizzy. Black coffee, please get busy. Oh, nothing to get home. Black coffee, I'm in trouble. I'm so dizzy. Please get busy. Man, I'm not gonna get home. Black coffee, I'm in trouble. I'm so dizzy. Please get busy. Oh, now I'm not gonna get home. I'm not gonna get home.
Guys, now my favorite thing about this complex is not a facility or a physical structure. The thing is, even with such a concentration of many buildings here, there is so much air. I'm talking about fresh air, natural ventilation in the rooms, on the compound. You just look at this. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching to this point. My name is AC and you're welcome to my channel where I vlog on my life as an international student here in China, and where I also talk about my faith in Jesus Christ. See you in my next video. Bye.